the class, students. So this is the fourth part of our the tattered blanket from first unit. So in our last session we came to know about how Gopi came to his village and what was the purpose and how he came to visit his Amma. So now in the next part of this lesson we are going to know about actually what was the reason of visiting his Amma. Okay. Do you know my son Gopi? Amma asked him. He is in Delhi, a government officer. He has Kesari Yogam. He draws a salary of 2,500 rupees. Do you know him? Here, Amma queries about Gopi. That means to his son, she is giving the information details of his son only. Okay. Even though he is in presence of him, but as he is not able to recognize him, she is asking about, do you know my son Gopi? And he has Kesari Yogam. That means he has been he is leading a well settled life and he draws a salary of 2,500 rupees. Again, do you know him? Yes, I know him, Gopi replies. Tell him to send me a blanket. There is a cold mist in the mornings. If I catch cold, it doesn't leave me for a long time. So here she is asking to inform Gopi. Even though she is telling to Gopi that to inform Gopi to send him a blanket. And what is the reason for sending him a blanket? There is a cold mist in the morning as they are residing in the village and the atmosphere of village will be very cool due to the presence of greenery, and that greenery is due to the trees. So it is very cool, cold mist in the morning. If she catches cold, those doesn't live for a longer time. Tell him to send a blanket, won't you? A red one, even though she also wants to say about which color she wants. I had a blanket, the one he bought for me when he was studying in Madras. It is all tattered now, just a ball of knotted yarn. Tell him to send me a red blanket, will you? Yes, exactly the same blanket she wants when Gopi was studying in Madras. So she is demanding to send the same red colored blanket. I will tell him. He nodded. See what a fool he was. Even though he was in front of his Amma, he is nodding and telling that yes, I will tell him. Please don't forget to tell him. The mist is not good for me. I think I'll stretch myself out for a bit. I have been sitting too long in the armchair now. Amma is not at all willing to sit in the armchair because it has been a long time. So sitting continuously for a long time of a period of time, it would be not good for the old age people. So she is willing to stretch myself out for a bit. That means she needs to go and sleep in the bed. I have a pain in the neck. Amma said she is also having a pain in the neck. Gopi's sister put Amma to bed and came back to the veranda. You didn't come to see Amma, did you? Now here, Kamala is posing question very irritationally. That did you came? Really? Have you came to visit Amma? Delhi is too expensive. You know, I have 4 children to look after now. I can't make both ends meet with my salary. And one has to keep up one's status. It will be a great help if I can raise some money by selling my share of the family property. I came to talk it over with you. So here, now children, you may have came to know about what is the actual reason. Now here, Gopi is giving his explanation that Delhi is too expensive. Expensive means very costly. The cost of living is too difficult for him to lead life in Delhi. Even though he is also having 4 children for him to look after now. Because see, living with the 4 children in a too expensive place, it will be very difficult for him. I can't make both ends meet with my salary. Now here both ends meet means he is not able to provide the facilities what are required by his family. That means to fulfill the demands of his children and wife as well as himself. And one has to keep up one's status, and even though he has to maintain all the things what are required over there where he is residing. It will be a great help if I can raise some money by selling my share of the family property. I came to talk it over with you. So actually he came. He's saying that yes, I can, after selling off the property which comes in my share, I can lead a better life. So you will sell your land and go away with the money. I know you won't come here anymore after that. So here Kamala is very irritated, and she is also very angry at the words which were spoken by him. So are you going to coming back again after selling the land and getting the money? Are you going to come back? No, I don't know. I'm sure that yes, you will be not able to. You will be not able, but you will not come at all. So don't say that I'll come when I get time. See here, what a rubbish thing he has spoken. Don't say that I'll come when I get time. That means, see, I get time. When he will get time, at that time he will come, but willingly he will not take out time for his mother and sister. Don't say that I'll come when I get time. Your time? See here again, Kamala is getting very angry with the word what he has spoken. When he will get time, he will come to see his Amma. So therefore on that word, Kamala got angry and said, your time, when you will be getting time. So he saw the irritation on his sister's face. It took you more than 5 years to find time to come here. Amma is 83 now. I don't think she will pull on much longer. It took you so long to visit her after the last time, but Amma can't remember who I am, he said, smiling feebly. But do you remember your Amma? So children, here Kamala is asking him some questions. Yes, when it has been about 5 years, and now you are telling you will be coming when you will get time. But Amma is 83 years. I don't know. I don't think she will pull on much longer. Pull on much longer means I don't have any expectation that she is going to be alive when you will get time. It took you so long to visit after the last time. So here Kamala is saying that yes, it has been a longer period of time that now Amma is also not able to recognize. She has gone mad in your memories, and she is always asking about you, but still you are not recognizing, you are not getting that kind of feeling of love and affection, how you have been away from us. And here for this Gopi is replying that but Amma can't remember who I am, smiling feebly. Then here again Kamala is posing a question. Did you remember Amma? Your memory is good, no? So children, this is what is happening in the present generation. After getting well educated and getting the employment and moving off far away from your native places, living off your parents alone, and they are adjusting themselves by let them be away from us. Okay, let them lead a happy life. So in this, they are spending their lives in the memories of their children from by birth to still at the present situation. Even though they are by 50 or 40 or 60 of their children age, they are thinking about that the children should be very well, they should lead a very well life. But the children are not thinking about the parents and leaving off them in their memories itself. So children, please be responsible and give the message to your parents, that to care for the elderly ones. Thank you, children.